Hi, in this presentation you're going to learn about Uniform Market and how we can assist our scrub retailers, distributors, and manufacturers in building e-commerce websites to represent the business, whether you have a brick and mortar store or if you're online only. Uniform Market, we've been in business for 15 years, providing e-commerce solutions for uniforms, footwear, and gear, working with, again, retailers, distributors, and manufacturers. Our software is our own. It's proprietary software, so no one else in the market has this. And our software has been designed to work specifically for the retailers and understanding how a retailer needs their e-commerce platform to work for them and for their shoppers. All of our platforms are PCI and DSS compliant. We have different types of platforms. The Retailer Pro, which would represent your brick and mortar sales, your direct sales. The Program Manager, which would represent your larger customers, a large hospital or a large medical group. And then the Retailer Pro Quote Store, for any customers who would like to build a store just for quote purposes and not have actual sale processes going through on their website. In this presentation, we're going to talk about our brand syndication. The Uniform Market, we work with hundreds of manufacturers and distributors representing their catalogs on our system. For the medical industry, which is what we're talking about today, we have over 20 different catalogs, and within those catalogs we represent all the brands from those manufacturers. If we were to take strategic partners, or as we call Cherokee, we carry all the brands that are within the catalog, the brands, the colors. We also have their daily inventory, and we do have a drop ship. So with our brand syndication, we handle updating the catalogs onto your website for you. There's nothing you need to do. Our catalogs are updated in the medical marketplace once a month. Those vendors also give us daily inventory feeds. So should a retailer prefer to have the ability to not have back orders, they can then turn the vendor's inventory on. We also have a dropship connection. So for our online only retailers and for some of our brick and mortar stores, if you would like to have dropship set up, you can have the order go directly from your Retailer Pro website to the Cherokee warehouse to be picked, packed, and shipped to your end user. And as you can see, the last time the catalog was updated was September 12th, so we'll be receiving a catalog update from them momentarily. Pricing on our catalog system is going to be set by the manufacturer. We're either going to list MSRP, MAP, or both, depending again on the supplier. And then of course you do have the ability to change that price. So you may want to take a catalog at MSRP and then adjust that price either up or down by a percentage, a dollar value. You might want to round up or round down to the nearest 5 or 9. So you do have the ability to handle that within the catalogs, and you can also do that within the brands within a catalog. In this presentation, we're going to review store designs. We have over 30 different stock designs, which also sets us apart from other e-commerce companies within the uniform space. We believe every store should have its own unique look and feel that represents the retailer's business. This is just one example of one of our newer designs. Designs can be mixed and matched. So if we look at different designs here, they can be used for any type, type, 'of 'marketplace. 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 'marketplace and can be laid out based on how the retailer would like their store to look. Colors, products, and brands that all matches the retailer's product line that they represent into their store. We can also do custom designs at an additional cost should you want something that is a little bit more in line with your look and feel, so that can be handled as well. The nice thing about the store design, it can be changed at any time. So when we build a website, we'll set it for you based on your instructions, and then at any time you can change that up. You might want to add some type of sale banners. You may want to add and change out different brands. So here where we talk about Gildan, you may want to change this to Barco One or a Grey's Anatomy product. So it's very easy for the retailer to change the look and feel of their store based on the changes you might have in products, the changes you might see in your buyers going from, you know, different styles to another. For this presentation, let's talk about the ease of use and how we can lay out your e-commerce platform. When we build a website, it's designed based on your colors, your products, and your brands. We can look at doing you know, different types of navigation views. If we look here, we have brands, men's, women's, lab coats, footwear, equipment, pretty standard based on how a scrub retailer would like to represent their store. When we list brands, we're going to list brands based on all the catalogs that are loaded on the website. And all brands and categories will be based on the retailer's directions. Okay. We have an elastic search, so a shopper can shop by an entire style number, a partial style number, partial product name for ease in shopping. All of our images, all of our product information is what comes to us from the manufacturers, as well as sizing charts. Here's an example where you could even put rate and review at the product level from your shoppers. On our product page, and we have 4 styles of our product page, once you've selected your product, you can select your colors, you can select your sizes. If there were a fit based on this, talls or petite, you'd also have that selection. All the product information comes from the manufacturer on product description, sizing charts. You can even add, as you see in this example, a rate and review, which is one of our apps. The nice thing about the Retailer Pro is you can take a product, create your own upsells and cross-sells. So an upsell might be this cupped warm-up jacket. What we've been reviewing the whole time we've been on the website, as well as if your client likes that top, they might like some of these other items that have been viewed by shoppers. Here's an example of where we've put this product on sale. Your sales can be BOGOs, they can be discounts at the brand or the product level, and you can set them for whatever time frame you would like, be it a day, week, month, however long you plan on creating that sale. Excuse me. We have full zoom to give the shopper a better view of the products, log level. So when we add to cart, the shopping cart is going to keep a running total of what's in the cart. So I'll always know how many items are in there, as well as my running dollar amount. This helps the shopper, especially if they're working within a budget, to make sure that they are staying within the dollar value that they would like to spend for this order. And we'll put another one into cart. When I look at my cart, it's showing me the sale price that I have going, shows how much I'm saving on this item per item, and my quantity. So I can see I've saved $10.80 on this item. Once we go to checkout, you can either shop as a registered shopper, or you can be pre-registered. The system is going to require an email and a phone number because you need this for your marketing. So when I look at my order, I see full description on my order, what the product was, I see my savings, the quantity I've ordered. I can then change my address to any address I would like. The system will remember all addresses that I have set up. As you can see, here's my standard kind of default address, and at any time I can change or add. Shipping can be based on UPS, USPS, FedEx. You can even do in-store pickup. For the main shippers, you can do ground, overnight, second day. For billing purposes, we can do credit card and or purchase order. When we use a credit card on the system, we have a gateway that will protect the shopper's credit card information. The website will not store any credit card account numbers. We also have an area where you can put in any type of coupon code or gift card. We do have the e-gift cards on the system that you can create your own dollars amounts, as well as if you want to create holiday gift cards, Nurses Day, Bosses Day, things like that. For our next presentation, let's talk about preferred groups. On the Retailer Pro platform, you have the ability to create a preferred group. Think of that as a small, unique website within your main store website. This allows you to create a shopping area specific for a customer that shows just the products the employees are allowed to order at the contracted price and whatever color options they may have. So in this example, this is our Just Scrubs Dental. And we have 3 products. We have a warm-up jacket, a V-neck top, and a straight leg pant. However, you can have as many products in your preferred group. You can even create categories. So if we have a lot of products, I might want to have a category for tops, outerwear, bottoms, footwear, accessories. Any of those products or categories that would be important for a nurse or a doctor. It's going to be the same buying rules as on the front. We're still going to see the same product, but instead of seeing this item in 20 colors, we only see it in the 3 colors that are allowed to be worn by the employees at Just Scrubs Dental. Checkout rules will be the same. It can be credit card or purchase order. We can build out any type of embellishment that might be needed on these products as well, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Again, we're going to have all of our product information, sizing charts, and you can even give the employees the ability to write a review based on the product and how they feel about it. The other nice thing in a preferred group is the ability to give a purchasing manager in a hospital, large department, or medical group the ability to go and place orders in bulk. So the bulk add to cart just makes this a very fast and easy way to add products to the cart in one step. As you can see here, we have all the black warm-up jackets that can be ordered, and then it's going to go to the next color, all the Caribbean blue, then it's going to go to the next color, which is the seal. And then it's just going to be a simple add to cart. And now I see I have 20 items in my cart and what my running total is for the purchasing manager for Just Scrubs Dental. In this presentation, we're going to talk about how easy it is for a retailer to manage their website, from changing that front page look and feel to running the admin area where you're pulling your orders, doing your marketing, and working with your shopper information. So the platform has a robust CMS. We have plenty of tutorials that go with the software. All training is recorded, and of course we have our customer service team that is available at any time to answer questions. But the website is built on a series of containers and widgets. A fixed container or fluid, our rotating banner is going to be fluid, and images like our medical accessories and scrub tops will be fixed. Again, everything is based on drop and drag. So here I can go up to 5 different containers. Here we see 3. Let's just say I'm going to do 4. And here I can drop a content widget in. Maybe I want to talk about a new product, a new sale that's going on. I can drop an image in based on that sale. And I can pull it from my computer. I can go to the manufacturer, or perhaps I already have this item in my website. And I'll just take this product and add it. Then I can add videos in here. Videos are very important for your marketing. They need to be based on a YouTube or a Vimeo. Most manufacturers will have a video. However, you may want to create a video on the store. You can store all those videos in your My Assets area. And then perhaps in our next space, you might put some type of coupon code that's going to be based on our sale, or you might have another sale that you're going to talk about. Okay, this is HTML, as well as you can just type as if you're on your desktop computer. Come in and see our new line of shoes. Once you have created your marketing piece, you're going to hit publish, and only then, once you hit publish, will anyone be able to see the changes done to the front of the store. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can come back and we hold the last 3 versions that you had the front page set at. So you can always click back. When you're done with this and you want to make changes, you can remove it at the container, and then I can also remove it at the entire container. Okay, now let's go to our back end. Starting. One of the things you'll notice in your admin area is whenever there's an update to a catalog, you will get a notification in your admin, whether it's a full update or a partial. Perhaps Barco is just adding a new item, so we might get an update mid-month. Our App Store, what we're doing new to the software. We do a product release every 6 weeks on our software platforms, and we always make sure our customers are up to date as to what has come out, what is new that's been added to the Retailer Pro, what has been enhanced to the Retailer Pro. You have easy access right here to our help desk, so should you have an issue that you need to have us take a look at, or perhaps you have a request, maybe you don't have time to create a marketing banner, so you would like our design team to do that. It's such a great, easy process to have this accessibility right in the admin area.